Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can freeze multiple columns or rows in Google Sheets. So here I've already on my Google Sheets, and the freeze menu can be found under the view. So if you want to freeze multiple columns, you can just click on view, go to freeze, and in here you can adjust the how much row you want to freeze. For example, here I'm going to freeze up to 2 rows. You can do that. Here you can see it will be freeze, but if you want to drag it again, you can just do it like this. And it's also apply with the column, so you can just go to view, freeze, and here choose the column, or you can also just drag this, take a gray line, and go to the columns that you want to freeze. I'm going to go with here, the H column. And just like that, now the columns and rows will be frozen. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.